What's the second topic we have? It is the land bridge. Okay, so what is a land bridge? You can understand, first of all you can understand, after that you can write. Okay, so I can draw here this one. This is the sea and this is the land surface, sea and land area. Okay, so what happened? Just phenomena is exactly reverse. Just phenomena exactly reverse. So in the sea bridge, for the understanding of sea bridge we will take the day times, but for the understanding of land bridge you can, this phenomena is occurring during the night. During the night, what happened during the night? Okay, so you can write on the second one, land bridge. Under the land bridge you can write first of all what actually the land bridge, after that we understand this one phenomenon. Okay, so at night exactly the process is reverse. Okay, the water cool down more slowly, the water is cool down more slowly than the land. Okay, now so the cool air from the land, so the cool air from the land move towards the sea, and this is called the land bridge, and this is called land bridge. Okay, so what we can write? The water is cool down more slowly. The water is cooled down more slowly than the land. So the cool air move towards the sea. This is called land bridge. Okay, what happened during the night, beta? During the night what happened? The water is cool. The water is cooled down. Okay, so water is cooled down, but compared to the land is cooled down faster than the sea. That's why the first, this one is cooled down faster than the sea, so the air is moves towards the sea, the cooler air move towards the sea. Okay, so the cooler air move towards the sea, and during the night this process is known as the land bridge. Okay, this process is known as the land bridge. I hope you understand both concept, the sea bridge and the as well as land bridge. Okay, so now we would take the two different kinds of the question are there. Those question are that why we can afford to wear the black cloth, why we can afford to wear the black cloths during the season of winter. What's the reason behind it? So listen carefully. Black cloth, it is a more observer of heat. Black cloth, it is more observer of heat. That's why the most of the people suggested the wear of black cloth during the winter season. Why? Because winter seasons, our environments is become cooler, and we feel cold, That's why during the winter season more people suggested that wear the black cloth, because black cloth it's observe more and more heat and more radiations. Second question we have, what is the second question we have? Why most people suggested that the wear of white cloth during a summer seasons? So we have answer is same, but some changes are there. What happen in the summer season? Our environment temperature is become hotter, and we understand already the black cloth it is a more heat and radiation observer, but our white cloth it is a just reflection of more heated and radiations. That's why reflection more heated and radiation, that's why most of the people suggested that wear the white cloth during the summer seasons. I hope those questions you can understand carefully. So thank you so much. Okay, and your question answer of chapter number 4 we will discuss on the doubt classes. Okay, so please attend the doubt classes, and you can complete the all question answer or exercise question answers on chapter number 4, and we would started and begin on the chapter number 5, acid, base and salt. Okay, thank you so much.